You know, guacamole is not just a great dip that goes with chips. This plant that I'm standing by here is also called guacamole. Now, these are hostas, and hostas are amazingly wonderful plants for shady areas. You can see where guacamole gets its name. It has that bright lime green color like the dip has. This is a large growing hosta, and if you've tried to grow hostas before, you might have noticed we get mixed results with hostas. This is very far south to be growing hostas. They really like a colder climate with colder winters than ours, but we do have some hostas that will do quite well in the state. Now, the Hammond Research Station with the LSU AgCenter did a great research trial on hosta cultivars to see which ones would do best here in Louisiana, and they got some great results. Guacamole was one of the ones they found did really, really well. Now, for hostas, you want a nice shady area. Some dappled light is fine. Prepare the bed with lots of organic matter. They do really well with organic matter, and keep the beds well mulched. They are prone to some damage. Hey, here's a leaf here with some holes in it. This is likely due to snails and slugs, so it's a good idea to keep snail and slug bait scattered around your hostas to keep those pests under control. Hostas go dormant in the wintertime. They disappear from view, and they come back again every spring. But choosing the right hostas is important, so go to the LSU AgCenter Hammond Research Station website and look up their information on hostas for Louisiana. You'll find those cultivars that will thrive in our state and have a reputation of doing well here based on research, and you'll enjoy these gorgeous, beautiful plants in your shady areas. For Get It Growing, I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.